Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. My name is BeDistinct. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment what you guys think about this video. One of the main questions that I still get till today is, do I still daily my G35? For those of you guys who are OG subscribers, when I first got my G35, you guys know that I got my G35 to commute to college. Super thankful for all of you guys who have supported throughout this whole way. But in this video, very short answer, the G35 is no longer my daily driver. Now you guys are probably wondering why, but right now it's nighttime. We're gonna wake up nice and early to go to work tomorrow, and then we're gonna begin the video. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning when we wake up. Alright guys, welcome back and welcome to a brand new day. Let's start off today's video with reason number one. This is probably not the main reason, but it's one of the reasons. My car is too loud. I don't like to start it up in the morning. It's bothered my neighbors in the past. They've complained to me in the past, and so I try my best to be respectful by not starting it every day. So that's one of the reasons why I try not to start it. But without further ado, let's go ahead and cold start the G35 today. Let's take it to work and let me show you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and place the camera here. Let's go ahead and start the G35. Let's make sure our hood is closed. You guys know I freaking flew my hood twice. Kind of took a long time. All right guys, now we are officially across the street and it's still pretty damn loud. There's a car. I don't want to show you my address, guys, don't mind it. So that's one of the reasons I don't like to start it in the morning. It's super loud. I try to be respectful, but of course this is for video purposes, so I'm trying to show you guys. Now part two why I don't daily drive it is me driving the car. So I'm gonna show you guys in the GoPro, show you guys some first person point of view driving, and I'll try to explain a second reason why I don't daily this G no more. All right guys, I was gonna wait till after work, but I'll just record right now. One of the reasons I don't like to drive my car is because my car is super loud. And if you guys know, I wouldn't mind in any other state, but I do live in California, and this car is extremely loud, and any cop will hear it, and if they hear that blow off sound, they're gonna 100% stop me. Look how loud it is. Like, it's ridiculous. Like I can't even just let off throttle. Like, it just screams every single time. It's like a baby that doesn't shut up. That's one of the reasons why I don't daily it, just to reduce my chances of not getting caught. I don't want to call this out into the universe, but I feel like my stop, like when a cop pulls me over, it's bound to come. It's bound to come, guys. But my goal here is to minimize those chances of making that event happen. So I try not to take it out every day, just to be on the safer side. But yeah, watch right here. I'm gonna try to downshift. Let me see if I can downshift one more. It is just loud. Like, it's just way too loud. So but it's a fun car. If you have this in Florida, if you have this in any other state than California, you're Gucci in the coochie, man. Like, take out your car, man. Enjoy that thing. Daily it. If I lived in Florida, I would take this car every single day. Not even doubt it. Not even hesitate for 1 second. But I do live in California. There's the CHP all the way over there in front. We're gonna try to avoid that. Last time I went next to a cop because I thought he was cool and all, I ended up getting pulled over and getting my first state ref. I am not trusting any cop anymore, so we're gonna go ahead and avoid that as best as possible. All I did was park. They didn't rev it, they didn't do nothing. That's just evidence. I know sometimes the sound may not come across on video, and it may just sound perfectly normal or like a regular standard loud car, but it's loud. And the worst thing about the blow-off valve is that it's not just any loud, it's like a pitchy ass loud, like a whistle, and it's kind of annoying. Alright guys, I'm gonna make it here quick and simple. Should I turn on the purple light? Nah, that's kind of dumb. Here, quick and simple guys, the third reason why I do not daily my G35 is because if a cop does freaking go right behind me, and even though the chances, you might think they might be small, like what are the chances that a cop goes behind you? It's gonna happen, and if he does, the E85 sense is pretty strong. Like when you go behind an E85 car, you can smell it, he'll know that that's not proper for this type of car, and he'll pull me over. So that's the third reason. But that's everything. All of those reasons are all due because I am in California. Now, if you guys want to look for reasons why I'm not dailying this car as far as performance, drivability, dude, there's nothing. I would love to daily this, and as a matter of fact, I'm just gonna give you guys a point of view of me driving. And dude, this car is awesome, bro. I love this as a daily. I would love this as a tunnel. That thing is loud, bro. I mean, you could just daily this, bro. It's not harsh. It drives like a normal G35 until you hit boost. Like, this is normal driving, perfect G35, manual. Perfect. Like, it's perfect, man. I got 3 rules for my G35 here in my house. Rule number 1, I do not ride my G35 outside of my neighborhood perimeters. And that's mainly because I hate going on freeways. There's a lot of CHP out there and I do not want to get caught. Rule number 2, always travel in groups. Always travel in groups. If I'm traveling with groups, with other friends that have modded cars, then I'll feel a lot more safer to drive my car, and I'll most likely go. And rule number 3 is I always travel at night. And that is because, oh my God, it's so... is that because when you're at night, you can roll up your windows. If the window is dark, it's nighttime. A lot of people have like very light tint and it looks super dark at night, so it's really hard to get pulled over for tint at night. At least I think so. And also at night, it's hard to see cars. All you see is headlights. During the day, a cop can be like, oh, that car looks extremely modified, let me go ahead and pull him over. But at nighttime, it's really hard to see the shape of the car because your headlight is blinding them, and so they can't really see your car, and well, it's less likely of them pulling you over. So that's why I tend to travel more at night with my car. Small little pull for the gang. Oh man, dude, this is crazy. Believe that, man? That actually put me in a bad mood. Look how bad that is, bro. Look how bad that is. Oh my God, what happened? With that being said though, I'll give you guys an update on the next video. I'll probably get these sent out to get done, and I will wrap the hood on next video, so stay tuned for that. I'll catch you guys next video. Thank you guys for supporting the channel very much. I'm very excited for 2022. I'm looking to see if we can get the new Z here on the channel. I know so many people that are gonna get it, and that's okay. I want to get it as well. It's gonna be something new. I need a new daily. That would be a perfect daily for the channel. It's got so many tuning capabilities, and I already got so many plans for it, so I'm excited for it. I'm saving money aside for it because it's gonna be a big project. We'll just wait for that, but stay tuned on the channel. Thank you guys. Make sure to click that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.